Now, letter F rather, on that get acquainted pack, we talk about sense of urgency. That's that SOU. I can tell you right now that I've seen customers that they do business with somebody based on how hard and how much effort that they're putting into what they do. They see somebody back there working hard. Think back to what we were talking about at the beginning, and we talked about impacting somebody's buying mood. So if you invite your friend coming to Taco World and you guys meet up there, and as soon as you start walking up toward the front, the doors get opened up wide for you, and you see people are moving with swiftness to want to help you, and you sit down and your waiter or waitress is right there and they're eager and they have that upbeat personality, but they're showing a sense of urgency. Now your buying mood is completely shifted to compared to when nobody was standing at the desk when you got there. And so I was telling, because Crystal, she used to run one of the parts stores at a shop that I used to own in Georgia. And so we'd already previously know each other. And she knew one of my service advisors, Jeremy Large. That guy moved, and he moved on only one speed. And it was like he's a big, heavy set guy, but he just moves so fast. And he had some passion about him. And you could tell he just always had this sense of urgency. And he had so many loyal customers to him, but it wasn't because of how good the technicians were or how long our warranty was. It was actually because of him. And I want everybody on this meeting to realize that you have that impact on your customers too. They'll do business with you because of you and how much passion you have about what you do. And so a sense of urgency and that passion, right, can go a long, long way. And so I've got on here also just a couple of other things